you children? You all are fine? Yes. Now children, today I'll take English for LKG. Yes. English for LKG. Yes children, before English we learn seasons. Yes children, before English we learn seasons. Yes children. Children, total we have 5 seasons. First one is spring season, summer season, rainy season, autumn season and winter season. Yes children, we have total 5 seasons. First one is spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Second one is summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. And fourth one is autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. And last one, fifth one is winter. So we have total 5 seasons. So first one children, spring season. In spring the day is pleasant, plant grow new plants children. Live in this season, flower blooms the most in this season. Yes children, spring season we see children what flowers blooms children, spring season. And spring season fruits papaya and pomegranate. Yes children, spring season grow papaya and pomegranate children, fruits. And vegetable, spring season specially grow cabbage and broccoli. Okay children, spring season grow papaya and pomegranate, fruits and cabbage and broccoli, vegetable children, spring season. And next, summer season. Summer season is the hottest season children. We use air coolers, umbrellas and fans, air conditioners. Why? Because to keep ourselves body to stay cool in the heat, we wear like cotton clothes. And children, summer season fruits grow children, especially mango and pineapple. Yes children, summer season especially fruits grow in mango and pineapple. And vegetable, capsicum and pumpkin, especially in summer season grow children. Okay. Next, rainy season. Rainy season children. So rainy season is the rains a lot. Yes children, rainy season rains a lot. We use raincoats, gumboots and carry umbrella to keep us dry sometime in some places. Okay children, to rain so much that these places get folded with water. So children, rainy season rains fall in lot children. We use raincoats and gumboots. Okay children, and rainy season specially grow fruits children. First one is fruits jamun and vegetable children brinjal and cucumber. Next children, autumn season. Autumn season is a very short season. Autumn season is a very short season. They come after monsoon. Okay children, it is not a cool and not a hot. Okay children, and tree shed the leaves in the season. And autumn season especially fruits growing children, custard apple and vegetable is radish. Autumn season especially fruits growing children, what? Custard apple and vegetable is radish. Next children, winter season. winter season is the coldest season. Winter season is the coldest season, children. During this season, cold and chilly winds. Yes, children. During this season, wind is chilly winds, children. So, snowfall. Some places, snowfall, children. We wear woolen cloths. This season, winter season. And children, winter season, especially growing fruits, children, oranges. Yes, children, especially growing fruits in winter season, oranges, and vegetables is beetroot. Understood, children? Yes, we have total 5 seasons: spring season, summer season, rainy season, autumn season, and winter season. Understood, children? Now, children, will start the English class. Okay? Yes, children, already we learned to small letters A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Small letter A to I completed, isn't it, children? So today we learn J, K, L, M. 4 letters, children, small letters. Yes, children, ready? Small letters J, K, L, and M. Today we learn small letters J, K, L, M. Take out your English classwork book, children. English classwork book. Sharp your pencil. Ready, children? Yes. Yes, children. First is J. J. You write full page J, children. J. J. Next J. 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 J for joker. Yes, children. J. J for joker. Small J. Yes. Small J. Small J. Next K. Small K. Small K. K for kangaroo and king. Yes, children. K for kite, king, kangaroo. Yes, K. Yes, children. K. K. Small K. Small K. Small K. Small K. Next, small L. Small L. Small L. Small L. You write full page, children. Small L. Small L. L for lion. Small L. Next, M. Small M. Small M. Small M. M for monkey. Small M. Small M. Small M. Small M. M for monkey. Small J. Small K. Small L. Small M. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. Write neatly in your class workbook, children, and write full page, children. Okay? J K L M. J K L M. Write neatly in your class workbook, children. J K L M. So children, write full page, children. Homework. You have homework. J, write full page. K, write full page. L, write full page. And M also write full page, children. Okay, understood? Yes. Now children, everyone take out your English textbook. Yes. Now children, everyone take out English Little Learner workbook. Little Learner workbook. So children, so page number 27. Page number 27. I can write. Trace the letter and them on your own. Yes, children. Yes, children. You can write own, children. So page number 27. Ready, children? Yes. Now, first A. Right, children? A. A. Write neatly in your textbook, children. A. Next, K. 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 Next, M. 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 N. 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 V. 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 And V. Yes, children. A. K. M. N. V. A for apple. K for kite. M for mango. N for nest. V for violin. A. K. M. N. And V. Okay, children? Yes. Now, children, turn the page. I can trace patterns. I can trace patterns. Yes, children. This is slanting line. Left slanting, right slanting. Trace, children. Left slanting, right slanting. Left slanting, right slanting. You also trace in your textbook, children. Now, left slanting, right slanting. Left slanting, right slanting. Left slanting, right. Left slanting, right slanting. 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 This is slanting line, children. You know slanting line? Yes. Left slanting, right slanting. 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 See, children, here. Big slanting line is there. See here. Left slanting, right slanting. Left slanting, Right slanting. Yes. So today we learn slanting line, children. Okay? Slanting line. Yes, children. Slanting line. Slanting line. So left slanting, right slanting. So this is your slanting line. Okay, children? So next, children, page number 29, hello letter W. Hello letter W, children. W for watch. Yes, children, W for watch. So, yes, children, see, children, here slanting lines. W. W. You also write in your textbook, children, now. W. W. W for watch. Trace, children. W. 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 W for watch. W. W for watch. W. W for watch. W. W. W for watch. So children, here remaining lines, homework, children. These two remaining lines, homework. So next, X. Hello letter X. X for X marks tree. X for X marks tree. Yes. X. 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 Yes. X marks tree. X. X marks tree. X. X marks tree. X. X marks tree. X. X for X marks tree. X. X for X marks tree. Yes, children. Two lines, remaining lines, homework, children. Okay? Now X, Y. Next, hello letter Y. So Y. Y for yellow and yo-yo. Yes. Y. 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 Y for yellow. Y for yellow color. See, children, here yellow color. So this is yo-yo. Y. 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 Y for yellow and Y for yo-yo. Y. 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 So do these two lines, homework. Remaining lines, homework, children. So, hello letter Z. Z for zip and Z for what, children? Yes, 0. So, Z. Z for zip. 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 Z. Z. Z for zip. And Z for 0. Z for zip. 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 Z for 0. Yes, children, remaining lines, homework. Okay, children. Now, children, I can write. Trace the letter, write them on your own. So, children, here write your own, children. And this one also, homework, children. Page number 33. Homework. These two bits homework, children. So name the picture, write the beginning letter here, homework, and trace the letter, write them on your own. These two bits your homework, children. Okay? Yes. Now children, your class is finished. So you have homework, children. JKLM. Small letters. You write full page in your classwork book, and you have homework workbook also, children. Okay, your homework is finished. You take the photo and send me school email ID, children. Okay, I'll check your homework. Okay, children. So bye, children. Take care.